Okay, we're here camping off of Hancock Road, and it's near Kanab, Utah, and we just stumbled upon this spot, not totally by accident by any means, but we were using Campendium, the app, to go to a specific location, and well, anyway, we lost lost directions because I set my phone next to me and it popped up the shopping button, and next thing you know, we've lost directions. But my wife was real good and she could still see where we were on the map and where we were headed, even though we didn't have exact turn by turn. It wasn't hard to kind of find it. So we did find the location we were looking for. The problem was the cell coverage was not as good as we thought it was going to be. So we just said, all right, we know there's a ton of dispersed camping areas up here, so we're always looking for the best we can find. So we just drove on, checking cell coverage, and finally we got cell coverage back, and then we started searching, and here we are on Hancock Road, and just check out this location. I mean, this is free. I mean, yeah, there's campsites you can pay to go stay at, and that's great. We do that sometimes, but look at this view out your back. I mean, there's no neighbors right next to you. You can't see it, and there's nobody around. You're basically got a spot all to yourself. Nice little fireplace if you want to move some of the sand out and do a fire. It's great. I mean, we're just passing through, so we're not gonna end up doing a fire here, but I could totally see why a person would spend a few days here. And we just came in and spending the night and getting ready to head out again. Took the dogs for a nice hike and really love this place and highly recommend it. So if you get a chance, Hancock Road near Kanab, Utah. Highly suggest using Campendium for exact locations. Those work great a lot of times, but we have also found more often than not that the general location area, there's some great spots beyond the ones that you read all the reviews about. So be adventurous, go out there and try it. Some great spots to be found. Here's a good example.